holiday season is apparently in notch 8 according to CP's holiday train, which made a break for the Manitoba area beginning on December 3rd, 2022. After the complete train had passed me at Main Street in Whitemouth, Manitoba, I decided to head over to the main area for where the train would stop and perform for the guests. Railway Avenue was very crowded. If I had to guess, this would probably be the most busy time the road would get all year. After all, the Canadian Pacific holiday train making a stop there is pretty big for this small community.
Well, hello, Whitemouth! And welcome to the 2022 holiday train. We're so glad you came. Make some noise for our friend, Ace and Abby!
Everybody, what an honor it is to be here with you. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for your donations. I'll play Christmas song. Christmas at all. I remember when you were here.
Thank you for watching my videos of the 2022 Canadian Pacific holiday train in Whitemouth, Manitoba. Stay safe and happy holidays, folks.